Hi, this is Brandon. I'm here with my grandma Karen. We're here in Istanbul at the Smile Hair Clinic, filling out some paperwork.
Brandon's been having some issues with his hair, and this is our before. He has a little receding, but we are so excited to come here all this way and save a ton of money. And today's Brandon's birthday. He's 24. Happy birthday, Brandon.
Thank you. Hi again, we're in the operating room now. I just had this put in really quick and easy, just waiting on the surgeon, and we'll see what happens. All right, shaving's happening. It's not that bad, guys.
Yes.
Oh my God. All right, I'm all shaved. It's time to go.
When do we choose DHI? Actually, the normal FUE implantation and the DHI technique is nearly same. They both have their own advantages, but they are not superior to each other. So some clinics try to present like DHI or the incision and then implantation technique like they are superior than each other, but this is not true. So if a person do not want to have shave, there will be a small zone, or if the patient is female, then we try to go with the DHI implantation. But if a patient needs a lot of grafts, it's a wider zone and male, then we definitely advise them to have percutaneous incision implantation, and with other words, normal FUE technique.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Oh, well, thank you. That was
You're
really
welcome.
sweet. Okay, how many cameras are there?
Hello, today we had a patient 24 years old, and the main expectation was about the frontals and the golf area. We make the consultation and examination and decided to go with 2000 grafts for entire zone, which is bald. With the donor quality was good. Multiple grafts were implanted in back areas of frontal zone and singles implanted into the very frontal area with the acute angles like 15 degree. The operation was successful.
Hey guys, I just got my new grafts. Everything went really well, no pain at all. I'm gonna go home now, sleep a little bit, and should be good to go. Bye.